Prana is the life energy inside you. It keeps your mind active, your emotions balanced, and your body alive. When prana flows easily, you feel peaceful, clear, and light. But when prana gets blocked, everything, thoughts, emotions, energy, and body starts feeling heavy. In this video, let's understand exactly what stops prana and how you can make it flow easily. Most people think prana means breath, but that's not correct. Breath is physical, prana is subtle energy. A simple way to understand it is, breath is the vehicle, prana is the driver. Breath moves in your lungs, prana moves in your mind, emotions, and subtle body. Yogic texts say that prana flows through 72,000 energy channels called nadis. These channels are not physical nerves, they are energetic pathways that control mood, clarity, intuition, immunity, and even sleep. Modern science supports this idea through bioelectric signals, heart-brain coherence, fascia network tension, autonomic nervous system patterns, electromagnetic fields around the body. All these are physical reflections of prana movement. Prana does not get blocked randomly. There are specific reasons. Here are the main technical causes. Number 1. Emotional notes such as anger, fear, guilt, sadness, shame, overthinking. These tighten the energy body. Number 2. Excess mental activity. Too much thinking creates heat and turbulence in prana. Number 3. Chronic stress. Stress contracts the nadis just like cold water contracts metal pipes. Number 4. Posture and muscle tension such as tight chest, blocked prana, tight belly, blocked emotions, tight back, blocked willpower. Number 5. Suppressed emotions. Anything you push down becomes an energy knot. Number 6. Disconnection from the body. When you live only in the head, prana drains. These all compress and twist the nadis, stopping natural flow. You can easily recognize a prana block. Here are the main signs. Number 1. Chest feels heavy. Number 2. Head feels tight. Number 3. Stomach feels hard. Number 4. Breath becomes shallow. Number 5. Thoughts feel stuck. Number 6. Emotions become louder. Number 7. Overthinking increases. Number 8. Body feels weak. Number 9. Anxiety jumps without reason. And finally, number 10. Meditation becomes difficult. These are not personality problems. They are simply prana flow issues. Prana does not move like air or water. It moves like electric current. Here's the technical behavior. Prana flows where awareness goes. If your mind is scattered, prana is scattered. If your awareness is focused, prana becomes powerful. Prana expands with relaxation. Relaxation opens the nadis like warm water opening metal pipes. Prana contracts with fear. Fear freezes the system. Prana immediately becomes tight. Prana follows breath speed. Slow breath, smooth prana. Fast breath, unstable prana. Prana mirrors your emotions, such as anger leads to hot, fast, chaotic prana. Sadness leads to slow and heavy prana. Anxiety leads to fast and upward prana. Peace leads to gentle and balanced prana. This is what we are focused on. Understanding this makes healing simple. Now let's fix the blocks. Here are the simplest and most effective ways. Number 1. Relaxing the body deeply. Prana cannot flow in a tense body. Relax these 3 areas: jaw, shoulders, stomach. These are the biggest prana junctions. When these relax, prana automatically starts moving. Number 2. Slow and gentle breathing. Breath controls prana speed. When breath slows, prana becomes calm. Try this method. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. This immediately releases inner pressure. Number 3. Single tasking. When you multitask, your prana splits. When you focus on one thing, your prana becomes powerful. One pointed action is equal to one pointed prana. Number 4. Release emotions safely. Emotional suppression is the biggest cause of prana blocks. You don't need to cry loudly or shout. Just allow the emotion to be felt, such as feel, accept, and release. This unties the knot. Number 5. Nature recharges prana. Nature actually carries pure prana. Walking outside, touching a tree, sunlight on your skin, listening to water, all these restore your prana system. This is why even 10 minutes in nature feels like energy reset. Number 6. Stillness. When you sit still without movement or distraction, the prana system reorganizes automatically. Stillness is like clicking refresh for your energy. Number 7. Awareness in the body. Just bring your attention into your body, not thinking, just feeling. Where is the tightness? Where is the warmth? Where is the movement? Your awareness itself acts like sunlight, melting frozen prana. So what happens when prana flows freely? When prana flows without any blocks, mind becomes quiet, thoughts become clear, breath becomes deep, emotions become stable, intuition becomes sharp, creativity increases, sleep becomes deeper, meditation becomes natural. A free prana system creates a free mind, and a free mind creates a peaceful life. Prana flow is not magic. It is the science of the inner body. If you relax, breathe well, express emotions, and sit in stillness, your prana will flow effortlessly. Prana flows where peace lives.